Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing my brows. So first, I like to get an angled brush, but with the spoolie at the end. The reason why is because every time that I'm doing my brows, I go in with my product, and then I keep constantly going back and combing it out so I can blend the product in well. So I like to comb my brows up. And once I've done that, like, I'll start preparing my brush. I'll make sure my brush is clean before anything. I always have wipies in my vanity station, so that way I can keep cleaning it. So I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. First, what I like to do is dip my brow in, brush in, and just like remove the excess product. And once I've done that, like, I get the minimum product that I can, because before starting, I like to go with the pointy side right here, and I like to just see, like, kind of figure out where the beginning of my brow is gonna be. You know, I like to make little lines, and then I'll see where my arch is gonna be, and then I'll take it all the way to the end so I can know where my toe is gonna be at. So once I've done that, I'll get a really close mirror so I can have it like the closest I can to my brows so I can be more defined. So I'm gonna have like a little mirror down here. Oh shit, I bet I'm so clumsy. This happens every time. I always drop my brush. So once I've done that, like, I'll comb my hairs again, and then I'll look just closely in, and I'm gonna start with the tail. I like starting with the top because I don't like touching this section right here. I don't like to box it in. I just like a clean brow. Start with the tail, and I'll shape it, and then I'll go ahead and fill it in. And then I'll just kind of keep following my brow and filling it in. Since I don't have a lot of product, it's way easier to do this part. And then I'll comb it out again. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get some more product so I can fill in what I've already started. So again, I'm only staying at the end of my brow, and I'm just filling it in. And I'll just follow my brow. When I don't have a lot of product, I'll dare and touch the front part. And again, I'm gonna keep doing that. A little product goes a long way, but the thing is that I don't like to get like a whole bunch of product, so I get like the minimum product on my brush. So that's why I'm constantly dipping into my pomade. And I'll just keep fluffing it out. So once I filled in my tail, I'm just gonna like use the spoolie and pull that way, because I don't want to bring a lot of product to this area right here. So I'll just blend in the product, and then I'll just comb it upwards, just blending in the product very well, so you won't be able to see that I use product here and not so much over here. So I just blend. And if you do any like mistakes, if you pass your lines or whatever, it's fine because we're gonna go in with concealer and clean it up. So once I've done that, I'll go ahead and grab my concealer. I don't really put a lot of product. It's really simple, to be honest. Let me see. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my concealer. It's this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. And I'm gonna grab this little brush from Morphe, an M213 brush. And I'm just gonna get product out of it, out of the sponge, and just dirty a little with the concealer. I like doing this because I don't like going straight in with concealer and messing it all up or putting a shitload of concealer on my eye. So now I'm just gonna go in under my brow and clean everything I messed up. And this is when I clean the little lines that I have done. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E8 brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it downwards. I like doing my brows before doing my makeup, but if you do your brows, if you do your makeup first and then you do your brows, I recommend not going in with like a very light shade of concealer, just because at the bottom is fine because we all like to get a little highlight under our brow, but for the top part, if I would do my makeup first, I would go in with the same color of makeup that I used in my face. That way it can look seamless and not so bright, not so shaped, you know. It doesn't look like you tried much. It looks natural. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go in with the brow gel. I'm gonna go in with the brow sculpting gel by Ardell. I like this gel. It does help a lot. It doesn't make you feel like, oh, you have gel on your eyes or anything. It just keeps them down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll show you guys when I'm fully done. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope my brow tutorial was very helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that post notification button so y'all can get notified every time I upload a new video, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.